Namaste, kids. I hope you all are having a great time and enjoying at home. Yes, great. Okay, kids. Now, can you see something on my screen? What is this? Can you see? Yes, guess everyone, what is this? It is a bee. Yes, it is a bee. What is this? It is a grasshopper. Yes. And this? It is an ant. What is this? It is an ant. So these all they come in the category of insects. Yes. These all are insects. Can you see their legs? They have so many legs. Can you see their wings? Yes. So they come in the category of insects. Right? Okay. Guess the answer. Now there is one question for you all on my screen and you have to guess the answer. Imagine that you were tailors for insects. आप सोचो कि आप टेलर हो इंसेक्ट्स के and had to make their clothes for them each day. और उनके लिए आपने clothes बनाने हैं. How would these clothes look? वो clothes कैसे दिखेंगे? क्या वो clothes आपके clothes के जैसे होंगे? Guess. The clothes will be similar to your clothes. No, they would be different. क्योंकि वो तो insects के clothes होंगे. Right. So just guess, how would they look? The clothes of insects will be different from ours. Their trousers will be different because they have more legs. उनके trousers different होंगे क्योंकि उनकी more legs होती हैं. Their shirts will be different because they have wings. उनकी shirts भी different होंगी क्योंकि उनके wings होते हैं. Right everyone? Okay. Now, with this thought, we will start today our block 5, which is creepy, crawly animals. Okay? Creepy, crawly animals. Right? Okay, kids. So, what we will learn about today in this block? We will learn about body parts of an insect. What we will learn? Body parts of an insect. Clear everyone? Okay. Now can you see on my screen body part, human body part and insect's body part? Can you see it? Okay, let me explain you. This is the human body? Yes. So this part till neck, it comes in the category of head. This is the head part. Below the neck till here is the thorax part. Okay, which part is this? Thorax part. And below the chest from here till this part, it is the abdomen part. Which part? Abdomen part. Right? Similarly, in insect's body also, the body is divided into 3 parts. The first part is the head part. The middle one is the thorax part. And the end part of the body is the abdomen. Is it clear to you? Head, thorax and abdomen. Clear everyone? Okay. Now, can you see insects' body parts on my screen? Yes. See, this is the head part and the head part is having 2 eyes. And can you see this? This is a pair of antennae. Yes. So the head part, it consists of 2 eyes and pair of antennae. Now what does the eyes help insect to? Yes, the eyes helps the insect to see. As your eyes help you to see, similarly the insect's eyes also help it to see. And the antennae help it to feel and touch. और एंटीने किस चीज़ में हेल्प करता है उसको? फील एंड टच. एंटीने इज ऑल्सो नोन एज फीलर्स. इसको हम फीलर्स भी बोलते हैं. ओके. एंड एंटीने हेल्प द इंसेक्ट टू स्मेल एंड टेस्ट टू. जैसे आपको स्मेल करने के लिए नोज चाहिए, वैसे ही इंसेक्ट किससे स्मेल करता है? एंटीने से. यस, और टेस्ट भी एंटीने से करता है. राइट एवरीवन? सो द हेड पार्ट इट कंसिस्ट ऑफ आईज एंड एंटीने. Then comes to the middle part, which is the thorax. Okay? The middle part is the thorax. The legs and the wings are attached to the thorax. Can you see? The legs and the wings are attached to the thorax. All insects have 6 legs. Insects की कितनी legs होती हैं? 6 legs. They usually have a pair of wings. और उनके usually pair of wings भी होती हैं उनकी body पे. Right? किसी किसी इंसेक्ट्स के 1 पेयर होता है विंग्स का और कुछ इंसेक्ट्स के 2 पेयर्स भी होते हैं. राइट? एंड नाउ कम्स द थर्ड पार्ट. द एंड पार्ट इज कॉल्ड द एब्डोमेन. सो क्लियर एवरीवन? इंसेक्ट्स बॉडी पार्ट. ओके किड्स, नाउ लेट्स रिकैप. एन इंसेक्ट्स बॉडी इज डिवाइडेड इनटू 3 पार्ट्स, द हेड, द thorax and the abdomen. Right everyone? The head of an insect has 2 eyes and a pair of antennae, which is called feelers. Correct? Third point, the thorax is the middle part of the insect. Which is the middle part of the insect? Thorax. Right? The legs and wings are attached to the thorax. Legs और wings किस पे होते हैं? कौन से पार्ट से अटैच है? Thorax. All insects have 6 legs. Right everyone? Next, the abdomen is at the end of the body. और abdomen part जो होता है वो body का end है. Right? So 3 parts are clear to you? Okay kids. So there is one hot question for you all. Are you all ready? Okay. Do you think insects smell, feel or taste? क्या आपको लगता है insects भी smell, फील और टेस्ट करते हैं? यस. विच बॉडी पार्ट डू दे यूज टू डू दीज थिंग्स? और वो कौन सा बॉडी पार्ट यूज करते हैं ये सब करने के लिए? गेस, कम ऑन, गेस एवरीवन. यस, यस, इंसेक्ट्स कैन ऑल्सो स्मेल, फील एंड टेस्ट with the help of their antennae. With the help of their antennae. Right? Like you smell with your nose, feel with your skin and taste with your tongue. But insects use its antennae to do all these things. Right? Okay kids. So what is your homework today? You will read about different body parts of insects. Thank you kids and have a nice day.